Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Jini. Today I'm going to share with you this quick and easy card that I created using the Go-To Greeting stamp set. This stamp set has a lovely font in all kinds of sentiments with different sizes, so it's great for projects like this. And you can find it in my online store. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with my stamping for this project, and I'm going to ink up my thank you and stamp it here on my very vanilla cardstock, just quickly and easily. And then I'm going to die cut this with my Nested Essential dies. Okay, I've cut out my sentiment with my Nested Essential die and a coordinating piece of Pebbled Path cardstock. I just love this little stitched edge around the card. It creates such a lovely little detail. I'm going to fold my very vanilla thick cardstock on the score line, and then I'm going to bring in my designer series paper for this project, the Let's Go Fishing, and another piece of Pebbled Path. I'm going to adhere this piece of designer series paper right onto the center of my mat. And once I have that done, I can flip it over, add some adhesive, and adhere it into the center of my cardstock. Now this little thank you card is perfect for the sports person in my life, and this project is quick and easy with these dies and our greeting stamp set. Next, I'm going to place my larger Pebbled Path rectangle directly down onto the card front, and I'm going to offset this slightly so that it peeks out over the edge of the designer series paper. Once I have that done, I'm going to add my Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of my sentiment piece. And of course, if you have minis, you can use those also. I'm going to remove the backings, and I'm going to adhere this right down in the center of that rectangle. Next, I'm going to bring in a little bit of shimmer and shine with my 2023 in color dots. These dots come in all 5 colors for the in color family this year, and I'm going to pick up the large one here, and I'm going to place that right in the center of my sentiment panel just for a little pop of color. And then I'm going to pick up a small one and add it to the right. Oops, it doesn't want to let go. There we go. And to the left. Spacing them out evenly around the bottom just to draw your eye into that sentiment panel and add a little pop of color. So there you go, a quick and easy card made with our Let's Go Fishing Designer Series paper that is on sale during the month of June, and the Go-To Greeting stamp set. You'll love using this stamp set with its beautiful fonts and different size sentiments to create all kinds of projects. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.